everyone, and welcome back to Crocheting with Jill. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the next hair tab on the Evil Minion. It's the lowest hair tab on the left side of the pattern. So here we are on the pattern. I'm coming down diagonal number 78. I've already done these two hair tabs on the right hand side in a separate tutorials, and now we're coming down diagonal 78. Now instead of starting this one at the beginning of diagonal 77 or 76, I'm coming down diagonal 78. That makes it a lot easier because we can just work these hair tabs like normal corner to corner crochet, where the width of the scarf is essentially just 11 instead of 10. So I've just completed that last little blue block right here. And I'm about to do the first hair tab. So let's switch back to purple. Pull the blue tight. And we only need to chain 2 here. Chain 2, and then we can do our 3 half double crochets into the side of the existing purple block. And there's the bottom block of this hair tab. Now we're going to flip our work just like normally and then work our way up the next diagonal, which will start with this hair tab. So we flip our work, and now we're going to slip stitch along the edge of the block that we just created in order to move our hook from the bottom of that block up to the top. And now I'm in the right position to start the next diagonal. So we begin with a chain 2 and 3 half double crochets into the top of the block that you just created. And then you just continue going on up the next diagonal. Now the next hair tab, which you can see is above the one that we just created, is going to be worked the exact same way. The reason this one works the same as it does for the one we just created is because when we come down towards it, we will also be coming down an even diagonal and going up an odd diagonal. Same way, so that one's identical. I'm not going to do a separate tutorial for that. It's really just you work that block, there you go, coming down diagonal 82, and then the second block going up on diagonal 83. But here next I'm going to show you that one last little hair tab there that's a single block. So I'm going to do this last purple here that I just marked on diagonal number 84, and then I'm going to go out sideways for that one little single block hair tab. So this is the normal block that is a part of the normal main scarf right here. Pull the blue tight. And so I'm at the end of the diagonal, but I want to do one more piece that is directly next to the one that I just did. Now really it's a part of the next diagonal going up, but essentially what I'm doing is going out and then up that next diagonal to make the scarf wider. So how do we do that? Let's start by connecting the blue with a little slip stitch. And now I'm switching to the next diagonal, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my work over so that I'm looking at the back side, and I'm considering this hair tab basically a part of the next diagonal or the back side. So we're going to start with a full chain 5 and work our 3 half double crochets into the last 3 of those chains. So that was my first block of diagonal number 85, and now I'm going to switch back to the grape color. And we can go ahead and cut that purple yarn. We are done with that. And then we will continue up that diagonal using normal corner to corner crochet techniques. Thanks for joining us, and you can join us again for another tutorial on how to do the Evil Minions arm tabs.